You may have a student who needs additional time to finish a rigorous assignment or project. In this video, we are going to modify Desire to Learn Dropbox assignment with differentiated release conditions. Let's start by going to the Assessment tab on the navigation bar and selecting Dropbox. And we're going to go to the Week 3 folder and select Edit Folder. Now we see that a due date is listed, but what we're going to do is proceed over to Availability Dates and Conditions and click that. And we see here there's a start date, so we're going to put today. And then for the end date, we're going to select the end of next month. And then we're going to go down to the area of release conditions. We're going to click Add Release Condition and create New. For the condition type, we're going to go to Submission to Dropbox. And for condition details, we're going to select the Week 3 folder and create. And you see the change is visible right here. Then we're going to go to Manage Special Access and verify that allow users with special access to submit outside the normal availability dates for this folder is selected, and then select Add Users to Special Access. We see there the due date is auto-populated, but we're going to go ahead and change it to the following week. And then as far as the start date, we're selecting today's current date and time. For end date, we will go with the end of next month. As far as time, we're going to update that as well. To look for users in the class who would need these accommodations, you can type their name here to show the particular student. But for this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and check our demo student and save. And as you review the summary page, you see that the demo student has been given additional time to complete the project. And you save and close. And then you save and close.